Hello, this is Cyberjacking. Today I'm going to talk about shield my searches on your browser on a computer. First thing you do is you type in shield my searches into whatever search engine, and it'll bring you to shield my searches right here. You can browse with confidence without being tracked. They give you quick, relevant results. They do not save your search history and allow you to control the adult content view and protect your searches from outside hackers, companies that want to, and they provide you with custom web search. Okay, let's say we type out chicken pot pie, okay, and then we type in, and we go straight. There's a safety filter over there. Access to the site. Okay. Okay, I'll show you how it works. Next, check your history. You see shield my searches, right? There's a get online recipes. Safety filter is right here. You can turn on block adult content, or you turn off. Okay, let's see what happens when I turn it off. When I turn it off, it shields the searches for you. You can only turn it off so you can protect your identity so it won't be tracked. They do keep a history, but not on if you turn it off. If you turn it on, as you saw, it gave the little history, get online recipes, so we know what you were searching. So you have to turn it off. Okay, this may be the older program of Shield My Searches. Classic potential unwanted program was browser hijack. It can be installed on Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and assign new URL. You can install it based on without their custom of the high third-party custom advanced settings. It's good for Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, 10. These are the instructions they also have for Mac too. And they also have how to remove the browser based on Internet Explorer and so forth, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. It doesn't have an app, as I can see, but it protects you from identity theft. You can try looking in the Google Play Store, but it doesn't find it. There's another app I want to talk about is Searchmaster. Searchmaster comprised with 54 or 30 or more different browsers, like search engines, you can choose from to look for specific topics. And it's available on Google Play Store. You can install it. It has Google, Bing, Yahoo, Quora, Facebook, Amazon, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, Wolfram, and so forth. It has 40 plus search engines. It's built into the browsers. You only change it. Simple history with your visit site. You got 4.4 out of 5 on it, so it's good. I'm also going to talk about CyberTor. These help you find apps, and it's only available on mobile devices as of now. It's an anti-spy virus and malware. So all you gotta do is just install it, and they can use Spy App Finder to find like an app that spying on you using their camera feature, or when you're typing like keyloggers. And it analyzes the app is how dangerous is it from low to high risk, and try to look for hidden apps, and they can block the camera and who's on your Wi-Fi. You can figure out who. You can uninstall the program if you want. They have port scanner and a review. This is scanning. Okay, you hit the scan button. They're looking for mobile stealth, spy, RF spy, spy bubble, phone sheriff, hello spy, little spy, iCam spy. Hidden app. Their features. They tell you like, okay, which apps are spying on you, and right now they're trying to hide it, and they tell you, okay, this is the threats, and they tell you which app has the threat, and you can go through each one to remove it. You can choose to block or unblock your camera, and also there's spyware, Trojan, malware, and monitoring system for your smartphone. It protects your privacy on phone camera spies and shield you from unknown attacks like camera block function. And it has app, and you choose the app. You decide if the app has permission to use your camera, video, voice, typing for whatever use. If you're making videos or uploading a photo, and it scan all the mobile apps and detect which come from unknown sources. And you can check like who's on your Wi-Fi, who's connecting to your Wi-Fi illegally. And they also have website security, check open ports. High-risk app finder, detect fraudulent elements such as adware, spyware, backdoors, rat, remote access Trojan, rookie, keyloggers, bank bots, Anubis, and ransomware. People who have no hacking skills can spy on you. Ransomware, they can find about 90% that are hiding on the apps you install and secure your Android phone. I don't know if it has one for Apple yet. No root needed. It got a 4 out of 5 star. It's helpful. And people say, oh, last update was April 26, 2020, so about last month. Requires Android 5.0 and up. There's 100,000 plus users. And they have the developer's website. You can visit their website. Let's see what they have. Secure the world from hackers under construction. The website's under maintenance right now, so we can't view much. These apps are good for cybersecurity experts to put on their phone to protect their privacy and information. Also good for everyday consumers that want to protect their privacy while in the online world. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cyberjargon. Hope to see you guys next time. And I'll also post the links to the websites. All right.